It's finally not windy, bro. Jeez Louise. It was windy for like 2 days. It's not windy the whole week, and then it's windy as hell Saturday and Friday. Like, it's crazy. Probably just gonna go for a drive, but look at that brake dust, bro. We probably gonna have to get some new carbon fiber mirror caps pretty soon, cause these bitches is cooked. The grills is solid though. The grills is solid. The spoiler holding up well though, I can't lie. Look at that gap, bro. It's fucking terrible. I wouldn't even say anything, you wouldn't even know. I ain't got my kicks on yet. We got the polo slides. Right, y'all. About to go hop in the V right now and go for a drive. I'll catch y'all in the whip. We outside. We outside, we outside. Somebody give me a new front roundel, cause my shit is hurting right now. Yes, sir. So the spot I'm headed to right now is a spot that me and all the young kids of my generation in this area will go to when you know, we be on a date and the date is going well, and you know, we still want to hang out. But you know, we're young, so all we got is our cars. But yeah, this was basically the view for my generation. We had a couple around in the city, but this was my go-to. Finna show y'all right now. There's also a hike up here too. Got like a whole waterfall and whatnot. It's pretty dope. But yes, sir. Vlogmas has been going very well. I'm actually surprised that I've been this consistent myself. It's honestly been amazing. It's amazing seeing the results of the consistency too, because y'all been rocking with it. The algorithm been rocking with me, so it's been a very swell time, you know what I mean? Yo, I remember when I had my fixie, bro. I low-key miss my fixie. Does anybody remember having a fixed gear when they were young? Cause that was me. I was riding my bike to school. I was riding my bike to the store. Like, I was riding my bike to the gym. That's OD, huh? Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that was sketch. 12 see my ass recording. We prevailed though. But yeah, like I was saying, man, I can't believe I made it this far. It's 5. I got a couple more vids planned in Christmas spirit, because I feel like I haven't really been doing much videos in Christmas spirit. I've just been talking about my car. But we are gonna get in the spirit of Christmas, I promise. I promise, I promise. Yeah, I am sad that I missed the LA car show though, or LA auto show. That would have been amazing to go to, but I had to work overtime that Saturday. It was trash, bro. It's whatever though. There's always next year. Also, I miss SEMA too. Or SEMA? SEMA, however you say it. That one's in Vegas, but I would have been down to drive out there. Because, you know, I want to start taking the V on more adventures, because I feel like I always keep her local. But I think the farthest I ever took her was probably like the beach or like LA. She hasn't been much farther than there. More adventures for the vlog, more adventures for the channel. You know what's going on. I'm gonna get back in my workout bag too. I'm gonna tell y'all something about me. I could work out for real, but once I start seeing the results I like, you know what I mean, I kind of just start slacking, and that's not good. Cause bro, like, I be getting swole quick. I get swollen like a month and a half, and then I just stop because I like the results. Best I ever got was 160, and I was feeling like him at 160. I was built. I'm like 5'11", 6 foot on a good day. 160, bro, and then I just kind of stopped. But we gonna get back in that bag. I was doing the meal preps, all that, bro. Like, I was deep in the fitness bag. It's straight though, it's straight. But I do want to be on my Zen shit. I want to meditate more because I used to meditate, but I don't meditate as often no more. So if you never meditated, give it a shot, bro. Like, it kind of feels stupid at first, but I promise that shit does numbers for you mentally. I capped. I do need to hit the hair shop. I need a new bonnet and I need some more do-rags, bro. Damn, shorty, I can't even see this bitch out so far. But yeah, that's where I'm headed right now. I forgot it's Sunday. Can't even go get what I needed. I gotta come on Saturday, next Saturday. Alright, the marathon continues. Damn, bro, where everybody holiday spirit? Like, this is it. This is it? Just a little shit around the poles? I need some lights. Yeah, see, y'all remember the vlog when I was at the gas station? I did put enough E in the V. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key too lazy to go back, so. Next time I need gas, I gotta put more E. Ethanol, baby. Y'all lucky I ain't got it in sport right now. I'll be cutting up on folks. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever like have another daily that's not BMW. You feel me? Tesla. You know, I wouldn't mind having a Tesla, but I need the Plaid. That supercharged shit, man. Do y'all like trucks? I've never been a fan of trucks. Only truck I get is Cybertruck, no bap. But you know, if I was gifted a truck or if I got a truck handed down to me, oh yeah. But like, you feel me? Like shit like that. That's why I don't like trucks, you feel me? Yeah, yo, I got a low battery though, so this might be the last clip in the V. I didn't even realize that I got like 6% right now, I'm sick. Nah, that's crazy. I just took a L to a 340 right now. I took a nasty L. I'm gonna put the clip, man. Just watch this shit. So I took that L. I ain't even tripping though, cause he had his shorty in the car, and we all know what that means, you know. He was really trying to show out, make a point for her, you know. And then nigga had upgraded turbos, so I already had a feeling, cause that shit did not sound like no regular 340. That's why I was on that nigga. I ain't even get no heads up or anything. This nigga literally, I pull up next to bro. He's not saying anything, so I'm like, okay, he's just vibing. Then all of a sudden, I hear this nigga downshift. This nigga pulls up next to me. And I'm looking at him, he's like, 1, 2, 3. Just pulls off. I'm like, damn, nigga. Can I get a heads up? That wasn't even a fair race for real. It's all good, though. Like I said, he had a shorty in the car. We all know what that means. Yeah, bro, that's about it for this video. I'll see y'all on Vlogmas 11. I need my redemption, though. Forever gonna need our redemption, man. Forever gonna need that. I'm gonna find you, my boy. We gonna run it back. We gonna run it back. I promise. But, hey, like I said, y'all, thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.